Hello, Lehigh Carbon Community College. My name is Michael. I'm a learning specialist here at the college, and welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. Today we're going to be talking about some rules for reflection. Reflection is an important part of life and the learning process. It is one of the keys that we have that allows us to change and develop and grow more. Right? But keep in mind these rules when you reflect. Keep in mind your purpose. Your purpose there is to improve yourself, to learn, not beat yourself up. You want to be objective. Think about it from other people's points of view. Think about the situation from your point of view, but also others, right? Think about the locus of control. Think about what you could control versus what was in the control of other people's, right? Be holistic in nature. So think about your strengths, your weaknesses, your challenges, things that went well, things that you wish would have done differently. Be holistic. Don't just be limited, right? Limit your time there. Okay, don't spend too much time in the past because you got to live in the now. Right? So reflection is healthy if you keep these rules in mind. We're out of time, folks. Have a good one.